Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and happy Valentine's Day. Today I'm going to be showing you a planner video. This is my happy planner, and happy planners can get quite pricey. So later on in this video I am going to be showing you how to make your very own planner on a budget. Now this is the month of March, and on the left side here you have a place where you can write down like different things just in case if you have anything coming up that month. And then you have a really pretty decorative page, and if you flip that you have a notes section over here, and then you have your monthly view and a monthly quote as well. If you flip that, then you have your weekly view and you have a lot of space. If you guys are interested in this planner, Michaels always does have a 40 to 50% off coupon in this planner. But again, if you guys are in a budget, I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own. This notebook I got from Walmart, and it was literally $1, guys, and I had these little pieces of scrapbook paper laying around. So what I did is I just cut them to like little banner size, and I wrote down the dates on them, and I thought they would look super cute. One tip that I have for you guys is not to throw away your gift cards. These come in really handy when it comes to cutting washi tape, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to use it in this video. So I went ahead and took off the dates that I had on the top, and I'm going to be placing this washi tape on both sides just to bring a little bit more color. Since I couldn't find my double-sided tape, I'm going in with a little bit of school glue, and I'm literally just pasting these all on top. So I wanted to divide the days of the week, so I'm going to be using a marker. This is absolutely my favorite color in mint, and I'm using a ruler just to kind of make that straight line. And basically what I'm doing is I'm just dividing every single day of the week so that nothing will look cluttered. I'm going to go in with a little bit of washi tape, and I love this because you can get very creative with it. So here I'm just basically going to put it right there so I can separate the morning from the noon, and I'm going to be doing the exact same thing to the other side. Using a different pattern of washi, I'm going to be separating the noon from the evening. And again, you guys can get really creative with this. I'm going to be using that card just to trim off the edges. So this week I really wanted to buy myself a pair of water shoes for whenever we go fishing. I really needed some at this point. And then I put this love for Valentine's Day so that I wouldn't forget. And then I brought out a little bit more of that washi tape so I can just decorate a little bit more. And then for the funnest part, I love using stickers, guys. Like, stickers are my favorite. And so I have this sticker book from last year's Target Dollar Spots, and I'm going to be using these little X's and O's, and I'm just going to be placing them somewhere. So here is another sticker that says Lovebirds, and I decided to put this one right here just because I thought that it looked really empty. And that's the really great thing about stickers, guys, is that you can basically put them anywhere and it takes up space, especially if you have really empty spaces. And then I had this little scrapbook piece of paper as well that I didn't want to throw away because it was just way too cute. And I put a little bit of that school glue, and I'm just pasting it down right there, and it just makes the world's difference. Now going in with my pen, I'm going to be writing down the stuff that I had to do throughout the week. This week, honestly, I didn't have a lot of things to do, but just little reminders here and there. And that is all. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please subscribe on the button down below so that you won't miss any future videos. And until next time, bye.